Hey guys, price decrease, a lot of inventory hitting the market over here in Cape Coral, and the prices are coming down a little bit. Stay tuned for the market report. Don't go. Hello guys, this is Manny, your pool home realtor with Premier Plus Realty over here in the Cape Coral, Florida area. If this is your first time on my channel, hey, hit that thumbs up, subscribe. I'm gonna be giving a lot of information about the real estate market over here. Plus, hey, I'm your pool home realtor too, so I'm gonna have a lot of more info coming this year in regards of that. So, nothing guys, we're gonna be talking about the market. The market is getting a little bit cloudy out there. So hey, let's start with the report because I know that's what you guys came over here for. So right now for the single family market, this is just single family as always. If you guys want to know more about the condos, townhome, mobile home and stuff like that, just give me a call and I will gladly, we could schedule an appointment and I could show you or tell you how those markets are heading or are doing over here in the department in the area. So active homes right now in the Cape Coral market, we have 1,358 properties, which 456 of those properties are brand new construction. And the way that I look at it from 2020 and up. So you're gonna have newer construction in that, maybe some resale that people already bought in 2020. So that's that. We have 456 value. They're starting right now at 319 all the way to 4.2 million. As you guys know, I'm the pool home realtor. So pool homes in the area, 747 properties available, which they're starting right now at $309,000 all the way to $6 million. If you guys want to know more in detail, again, pool home with canal, pool home not canal, pool home with golf access, give me a call. I could let you guys know where they're at, or double check the description below. I put over there a bunch of links so you guys could search the type of homes. I have pool homes, not pool homes, canal home, and all that. So double check in the description. I'm gonna pull all that for you guys. Closed properties in the month of July, 406. This is past month. In the month of June, roughly 110 properties sold more than July. So hey guys, I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna sit down over here in the computer. I'm gonna show you what we are going into the prices, days on the market, and all that fun stuff. And then I will give you my little quick recap of what I think is happening or is gonna happen in the market over here in Cape Coral. So stay tuned. We are back over here. I'm gonna show you over here the computer. Just to give an estimate really quick, the 13 or the 1,358 properties that we got right now on the market, 210 this past week dropped the price. That's almost 15% of the whole listings. That's not including maybe including the new construction if the builder have dropped any prices, but that's for everything. Like 15% of all those 1358 have done any kind of price decrease in the past week. So let's go over here to share out the week, the screen to see where we at right now in prices in Cape Coral. So we are over here. Let me put Cape single family home as always. So this is our benchmark. Let me put over here 5 years. So this is how we used to be in 2017. Our peak prices in April, there were 465. Right now the median is 424. Average price, same thing, you guys kind of see over here the growth. Peak prices in April, we were 582. Now we are at 495. I'm gonna give you my little quick recap at the end so you guys could know what's going on. Homes for sale, you guys know homes for sale go up a little bit. We did have a little dip over here, but this is the trend that we have seen since February. Inventory start to go up over here in the Cape Coral area. Days on the market, same thing too. We used to went up a little bit. We went down at the April, and then we start to trending up. That's for the median. The average, the same thing too. We just kind of a normal over here Month of supply, you guys know the month of supply have been increasing, so you're always, gonna see these going up. Remember, anything above, I would say roughly 4 months to 6 months is a more neutral market. We are still on a seller's market. Based on this, that's gonna be changing this past year or this next year. Sorry. And then another thing too that I'm gonna show you guys really quick is this show to pending. This means that how many people have shown the property before it go to pending. So this is at the beginning of the year, 13 showings before it go pending. Then now we're on nine showings before it go pending. That's for the medium. The average, dropped dramatically. 18 people back in March. Now we are 11. So you could kind of start seeing that pullback based on the interest rate keeping going up. All right, guys. So yeah, that's what's happening over here in the market. Let me give you one more thing that I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna give you guys a little quick run through of what I think is gonna happen on the Cape Coral market. So let me share this. I did this over here a couple of days ago. And this is the regular price. I think I use over here the medium price of Cape Coral. This was 2020, 2021, 2022. This was that part of June, July of last year. So we did have a dip. This is the same thing as over here. The only thing of this is that this dip is way deeper than this and way deeper than this over here. So you're gonna ask me, hey Manny, what about that orange line? So this is what I think the market is gonna be doing over here in Cape Coral. As you guys know, in the medium price in Cape Coral since April, we have dropped 7.7%. And then for the average price, 14.5% decrease in value, if you want to put it put it like that. So the Feds are trying to fight inflation, so they're raising the rate. So the Feds are trying to raise the rate and interest rate and stuff like that. The car market too is like crazy. I'm trying to get something for my daughter, and it's just like ridiculous. But anyway, so if they keep doing that to fight inflation, of course it's gonna pull up people off the market, cooling down the market. So then we definitely need to kind of soft our prices a little bit. So this would be what I think is gonna happen. We're probably gonna end up in negative appreciation this year, and this is only for the market of Cape Coral. Fort Myers is kind of a following Cape right now, not as drastic. And then, believe it or not, Lehigh Acres is still going up, appreciating. And that's, because it's a little bit more affordable. And then the people who cannot buy in Cape Coral based on prices, they're heading, they're buying in Lehigh Acres. And I'm going to, put that at the end of the video if you want to check over here in the top. But yeah, this is what I think is going to happen. We're just going to maybe drop 20-25% this year, and then kind of go up and kind of stay as the as a regular market would be 3 to 5% every year. That is more realistic. Now, if inflation keeping going up, I mean, the Feds might go crazy and say, hey, I'm gonna pull up Paul Walker. I don't know if you guys have know about that. What happened in late 1970s, early 80s. Paul Walker came and raised interest rate like crazy just to fight that inflation. Can you imagine, next month or this month, because we're in August right now, inflation go to 1%. If you could see the inflation go maybe to that 10%, 10.5, or whatever, more than 9.1 that we were over here in July, I bet you the Feds are gonna say, hey, listen, you know what, this is enough, we need to be more aggressive to it. So if that ever happened, then that would be that red line over here, because putting interest rate right now at let's see, just an example, at 10%, just to get a loan, $400,000, forget about it. I mean, like, who could afford that? is, as it is right now, nobody could, almost nobody could be able to afford properties to buy based on the high prices. So that's where, prices are going to come down. And then, of course, you got all the stuff going on the market that we don't know, politics and, maybe wars and stuff like that. So that's then, what this is going to be, hey, we're just going to go back to maybe 2020, early 2020 prices, maybe a little bit more up. And then if you go all the way back over here, you can see my cursor. Then, you throw a line based on appreciation. But the market, it would be going all the way over here, going up. And then we're probably going to start seeing that start appreciating base, of where we drop from 2024, late 2024, maybe early 2025. So, hey, let me tell you something really quick. I know a lot of people are talking about, crash and all that. I personally, I don't think there's going to be a crash because this is a little bit different. I know a lot of people saying, oh, this is different. This is, back and forth. But the way that I look at it, our increase in prices was based on inventory. Inventory levels are going up. Everything's settled down. Now Feds are fighting inflation. They're raising rate, making it, more not affordable for a lot of people. So whoever, those who need to sell, they need to, a price adjustment. I think, personally, that the market would adjust. And I always been telling you, if you guys have been following me for a long time, I always say it's going to be that 25 to 35%, where the bottom is going to hit from the top. So right now, our top is benchmarked in April. So unless, these next 3 or 4 months then rapidly go up, then, hey, that's not our market up. Now we got to see where the bottom is. Who's going to be buying in this market? I would say, a lot of cash buyers are going to enter the market right now too, getting those deals. This is the time that, you probably could get a deal with your cash buyer, just because of, people might need to sell. Those people are, hey, I'm testing the market and see, that, you're probably not going to be able to do it. Another thing too that I'm seeing in the market is a lot of people that were thinking about selling. I have been talking to a lot of homeowners that they were in the fence of selling. Now they say, well, I lose my chance. So I'm going to wait. I'm going to stay on my house. We're not going to move. They love over here, the area. So that might create another shrink in inventory, which once again, if the demand, if the inventory go down, then demand go up a little bit. Then, then we're going to start seeing prices then taking off again. So other than that, subscribe to the channel. As you guys know, I always put over here the information for you guys know. And my last thought, hey, if you guys think that we're going to go into a crash and see the prices that we did in 2008, 2009, hey, I don't have no crystal ball, but listen, I think that's most likely that's not going to happen. We do probably gonna see 2019, 2020, maybe 2018 prices once everything's settled and done. But I don't think we're gonna see those, $100,000 home in Cape Coral, or $80,000 home in Cape Coral. We're not gonna see that no more. Once again, I don't have no crystal ball. This is not financial advice, but that's what I could see on the market and everything that I've been studying it for the past, couple of years. So nothing, guys. Hey, hit that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I see you in the next Cape Coral, Florida real estate market report. Stay tuned. Bye-bye.